when you have the first cut, most of the market don't react to go and buy something. Then when they have the second rate cut, most people go, okay, this is going to become a norm. We're going to see more of it. So let's get our ducks lined up. We have the third cut. People go, this is happening. We have to buy now. So this is where we are now. We're at the time where people have started 8 months ago thinking, this is pretty much, we don't know if it's going to continue. To the second rate cut, we're going to go, let's get our ducks lined up. To now, people going, okay, let's buy now because we know what's going to happen. We'll have 1 more or 2 more rate cuts. Everyone's going to come into the market. So this is the time to buy now. 3 to 6 months is what you have to get into the market before we have that huge wave. See, this is what happened is that almost everybody lines up the ducks at the same time, execute into the market, and we all of a sudden see a 10% jump. But we haven't seen the massive, massive jump, which we're about to happen in probably early to mid next year.